Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Janet here, and today I've got another bag review for you. So today we're actually gonna go and check out the LV Carryall MM in the Emperiente Black Leather. So I'm super excited. You guys know I love this bag. I actually did my first bag review on its sister, the Carryall MM in the Turtle Dove Emperiente Leather, which I love and adore. Here she is making a special one-time only appearance, but love this bag. So anyway, here I am. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the new addition to the family. So without further ado, let's get into it. Really excited. So you guys are seeing this in real time. I picked this up from my essay. They had it all wrapped up for me, so I was really excited to get it. And I said I'm gonna wait and I'll end up doing a review and share it with you guys as I'm opening it. So here we go. Gosh, look at the smile on my face. It's like ear to ear grin, I swear. Okay, so comes in the dust bag. Oh, it's that new smell. I love new bag smell. I know. Maybe I'm a little bit crazy. Okay. All right. Here she is. Oh my God, I love this bag. Okay, so let me get the strap on. Wait. Let me put the strap onto the bag. So you can see the zipper that I just opened, and it's got the great tag. I love this tag, this pull tab. This should be on every single bag, I swear. This is the best thing invented. Instead of always fumbling looking for the zipper, this thing is just so easy and breezy. You know I love an easy bag. Just something you can pull on, throw over your shoulder, and out the door you go. Okay, so here we go, guys. We've got the whole strap here, which is great. I love this bag for the one reason. Well, I love this bag for many reasons, but for one of the biggest reasons is it's got an adjustable strap. So you can literally turn this into whatever you want. It can be a shoulder hobo bag. It can be a crossbody bag. It's literally whatever you want it to be, which is what I love about it. So let's put this down for 1 second. Let me just dig in and see what else is in this bag, because there's something else in this bag. So this bag does come with this cute little bag here. It's I do love this because, as I showed you in the other video on my carryall, I've taken this on cruises with me, I've taken this on business trips with me, and just to be able to have a quick little bag to take with you, maybe you're popping down to dinner or going for a quick business meeting and you just need your phone and maybe a credit card or something, lipstick and a compact. You can easily get that in there quickly. Lipstick, compact, and boom, there you go. If we can get it closed. And it comes with a little strap to put on, and you can basically just turn this into a wristlet, which is how I wear it now. So it's just a cute little bag that can turn into a wristlet. If not, then you can keep it and use it as an extra accessory to your already lovely Carryall MM. So let's put that down. And here we go. We're gonna go ahead and put the strap now and adjust it to the size that we want. For this video, I'm actually going to keep it on the first tab, which is this one. The first tab here, that's what I'm gonna put it on, because I'm gonna show you how it looks as a shoulder bag. That's how I typically wear it also. I usually wear it in a shoulder bag style, but I do love the fact that if I ever needed to, because I'm a big fan of crossbodies also, I can easily fit this into a crossbody as well. So here we go, putting this on. Boom. Okay. Let's look at the inside. Oh, and it also comes with this cute little luggage tag. This luggage tag, obviously, it's not the ones to be printed on, but you can see here, it's really cute. It's just a more of, you know, an accessory, if you will, on the bag. But looking inside the bag, let me just pull out these tags that are here. You've got a zipper pocket, and I'll open that quickly for you. So you've got the zipper pocket, and then next to the zipper pocket, you've also got two other pockets as well. Okay, you can see it's got this like microfiber suede on the inside, and it's blue. It's like a navy, I want to say like a navy blue. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I think it works really well with the black. It's timeless. I love this bag. You can see, I'm gonna get up close so you can see the actual empreinte leather and how it looks. And you can see the feet. Oh, I love a bag with feet. Just easy to be able to put down and know you're not gonna get it scraped or anything. Okay, so let's stick this on the sides. And then I'm gonna put it on for you to show you. Actually, before I put it on, let me go ahead and pack it up with some stuff, just so you can see what it looks like, because right now it's completely empty. Okay. And I don't have the dimensions on me, but you can find the dimensions on the Louis Vuitton website, and just go to this handbag and they can absolutely give you all the dimensions. So let's pack it up real quick. Let's put in here, well, let's get my wallet. So we've got the wallet, and we go, we've got the Pochette Matisse, the mini Pochette, sorry. I was just actually talking about the Pochette Matisse upstairs. Okay, so we've got the iPad. My trusty iPad is going in. We've got my keys. Never go anywhere without them. We've got my cosmetic bag. And I've decided to break out the YSL in black, the card holder, and it's really got that lovely grain leather that I like so much. You can see it, that pebble grain leather. So in we go with that. I've always got a Huda lipstick on me, so in we go with that. I've got my chapstick, never leave home without it. And in we go. I've got my trusty compact. And we go. And you know what? Just for some good measure, I'll put in a pack of tissues that I have. Never leave home without tissues. Okay, so all zipped up. It's decently full. I have used my carry-all before to go on trips, business trips with, so I will bring this along with me in the cabin, and I'll put waters in here, some snacks for a long trip. So you can get more stuff in here, I'm just letting you know. I just don't like to fill it to the brim, just because it's like best practice. You don't want to put too much strain on your bag, right? So, but here's what it looks like. Pretty decently full. Let me open it up and just show you really quickly what it looks like inside. Well, it's filled up. So, yeah, my phone is missing. I think it's in the other room, but don't worry. There's my compact falling. But don't worry. I think just seeing this, obviously you see how much room is in here. I definitely have room for my personal phone. Hell, I have even got room for my business phone. So I've got a ton of room left in here. And let's go ahead and just do a quick shot of what it looks like on. I will also put mod shots in for you guys as well, so you can see that. But I'm 5'4", and you can see just using the shoulder bag, you can't see so well, but you can kind of see it comes basically right below my hip. So my hip is right here. So it's coming right below my hip. That's where it lands. And you can scoot down a little bit. You see where it starts. It's got a nice wide armhole. And again, I will do mod shots so you guys can see what it looks like in the crossbody, because that is actually, it's a rare treat to be able to have a bag that actually converts like that. And especially if you like a crossbody and you just want maybe different style for that particular day, you can absolutely just within minutes change this up into a crossbody. So I will put the mod shots in of that for you guys as well. But yeah, I'm super excited to be breaking this baby out, and yeah, I'm gonna start wearing her right away. I yeah, would, you know, always appreciate any feedback, comments. Are you guys looking at this bag right now? Let me know. Do you already have the bag? Maybe you have it in a different color like I do, because now I have twinsies. Which, good thing, bad thing, I'm not sure, but that's just, it goes to, it's a testimony to how much this bag is so versatile, so amazing. And I think I talked a little bit about the fact that a lot of comparisons were originally made about this bag when it first came out, and a lot of people compared it to the Neverfull. And you know, again, nothing really against the Neverfull. I don't have a Neverfull. I don't want a Neverfull. It's just, it's not my bag, okay, baby? So I do love this because the Neverfull's got those, like, I don't know, those tiny little straps, and if you like weigh it down too much, you put the straps on, they're like digging into your arm, first of all. And I've tried on the Neverfull a couple of times. My friends have had them, and you know, I've tried it on in the winter when I'm wearing my, you know, heavy down coat. Remember, I'm from New York, and just really difficult to get that. The armhole isn't as wide as this one, and so it is a little bit of a struggle, especially when you're wearing a sweater with a down coat on top of it, or any extra layers that you may need in some type of cold environment. You know, half of America's in a cold environment, right? So you just want to be thinking about these things. And if you are thinking about getting a bag, no matter what bag it is, whether it's the carry-all, the Neverfull, the whatever bag it is, just make sure you go to the store and try it on. Even if you end up buying it online, so what? Buy it online or buy it secondhand, whatever you want to do. But just make sure that you are physically seeing it. Bring your stuff, load it up, put it in, you know, at the store. Like, put your stuff in. Just say, listen, I want to take this bag for, you know, a test drive, basically, and see if it fits. You know, if it's the winter time, bring your heavy coat. Try on the bag. Make sure you're really making sure that this bag, whichever one you decide on, is the one for you, and it's going to suit your personal needs and what you're looking for in a bag. And that's it. So hopefully that little piece of advice helps. But listen, I'd love to hear from you guys. Leave comments, feedback, any other bags that you think that I should focus on. I do have some more in my collection. I'm thinking about rolling out another couple of bag videos since I did get positive feedback from the last one. So thank you so much for watching. Wait till the end. I'm attaching some mod shots on there so you'll have it and see how it looks like. I am 5'4", so just use that as point of reference, and you'll be able to determine if you like the bag, where it sits, how it lays, and what style you like it in, whether it's a shoulder bag or the crossbody. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and if you really like my content, please like and subscribe. And I'm looking forward to seeing you guys again soon. Bye. Have a great day.